All right, guys. So let's go on to the next question on the lot. 110 tourists visited the Gir forest. Out of the 60 people taking a ride in the morning and the rest in the evening, 30 spotted a panther and 15 spotted a hyena. In all, 56 people spotted a panther and 25 people spotted a hyena and 25 spotted both. Okay. So 110 people you have, उसमें से exactly 60 are taking a walk in the morning. Okay. And उसके बाद 30 people are spotting a panther and 15 are spotting a hyena. Okay. तो and the rest in the evening बोला है, right? So 110 में से 60 लोग अगर निकल गए, बचे कितने? 50, of course. So 50 people are taking a ride in the evening. Now guys, the question tells us that in all 56 people spotted a panther. Okay, उसमें से 30 people are spotting a panther in the morning. तो बचा कितना? 26 people spotting a panther in the evening. And same way 15 spotted a hyena in the morning and 26 people spotted a hyena total, right? In all, right? बोला है. तो 25 minus 15 कितना हुआ guys? 10 हुआ. Exactly 10 people spot a hyena in the evening. Now 25 people spotted both in total, right? ओके. नाउ बोथ के बारे में मॉर्निंग का डेटा हमें नहीं दिया हुआ है, राइट? सो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? लेट अस अज्यूम दैट ए पीपल स्पॉट बोथ इन द मॉर्निंग. सो 25 minus a people. So 25 minus a people will spot both in the evening, right? Now, guys, 30 people spot a panther in the morning. उसमें से a people spot both. So how many spot only a panther? 30 minus a, right? Similarly, 15 people spot a hyena in the morning and a people spot both, right? So how many spot a hyena in the morning? Okay, only hyena in the morning. 15 minus a हो जाएगा. Now, this entire slot is 30 people watching a panther, right? And 15 minus 8 people, okay, basically watch only hyena. So what is this number of people? This number of people is 30 plus 15 minus a, right? So 30 plus 15 minus a is the number of people who are watching at least one of them in the morning, right? So how many basically went out in the morning and watched none of them? It will be 60 minus 30 plus 15 minus a, right? So this gives you basically 15 plus 8. So 15 plus 8 people left in the morning and watched none of them. Okay. Same way in the evening के बारे में बात करेंगे तो 26 people saw a panther and 25 minus a saw both. 26 minus 25 minus a कितना हो जाएगा? A minus 1 basically, right? So A minus 1 people are spotting a panther only in the evening. Okay. Same way there are 10 people who are spotting a hyena. 25 minus A is spotting both in the evening, right? So how many spot only a hyena? 10 minus 25 minus A. So A minus 15, right? That is the number of people who are spotting only a hyena in the evening. Okay. Now it is found that 26 people spot a panther in the evening from the data, right? So 26 people spot a panther, and these A minus 1 people spot only hyena. So how many spot at least one of them? 25 plus A minus 15, right, guys? This comes out to be nothing but 11 minus A, right? Okay. So sorry, 11 plus 8, my bad. Okay, now 11 plus 8 people spot exactly or at least one of them, right? So how many people spotted num? 50 minus this value, 11 minus a, right? You will get 39 minus a, right? So now we are all set to look at the question. We have found out all the values we could. Okay, let's find out the questions. Okay, let's solve the questions. Okay, now if 25 people took a ride in the morning and spotted both, then how many took a ride in the evening and spotted neither? Okay. Now it's just mathematical jugglery, guys. That's all. Once you have done all this, okay. And now you can just solve the question directly. So 25 people took a ride in the morning and spotted both. ये तो A का value दिया हुआ है, right? So A is 25, right? A is the number of people who are walking in the morning and spotting both, right? So A is 25. And उसने पूछा क्या हमसे? How many took a ride in the evening and spotted neither? So वो 39 minus A ये वाला value है, right? You can see in the Venn diagram, okay, before your eyes right now. This value is 39 minus a, right? So ये पूछा है हमसे. Very simple. Plug in the value of a as 25. You get the answer as 14. As simple as that, right? आगे बढ़ते हैं. If 28 people took a ride in the evening and spotted neither, then how many took a ride in the morning and spotted only a hyena? Okay. So 28 people took a ride in the evening and spotted neither. मतलब इसका value हमें दिया हुआ है, right? 39 minus a. This you equate it with 28, or you'll get a equals to 11. अब हमें find क्या करना है, guys? People who took a ride in the morning and spotted only hyena. This number is given as 15 plus a. This value, right? No, 15 minus a. This value. Okay. So the required answer is 15 minus a. And a की जगह पे हम put करेंगे 11. The answer is 4. As simple as that. Okay. Let's go on to the next question, guys. Find the least number of people who took a ride in the morning but spotted neither a panther nor a hyena. Okay. नीदर पैंथर नॉर हाइना, ये वैल्यू मॉर्निंग में कितना है 15 प्लस ए, इसे हमें क्या करना है मिनिमाइज. ओके गाइस, 15 प्लस ए में 15 इज अ कांस्टेंट एंड ए इज द ओनली अननोन वेरिएबल हियर, राइट. तो ये 15 प्लस ए मिनिमम तब होगा जब ए मिनिमम हो जाएगा, राइट. अब हमें बेसिकली गाइस ये फाइंड करना है कि ए का मिनिमम वैल्यू यहां से कितना हो सकता है. ओके सो लेट्स से द मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ ए. ओके यहाँ से कहाँ कहाँ देख सकते हैं हम लोग. ओके देयर आर सर्टेन वैल्यूज 30 माइनस ए, 15 माइनस ए, then a minus 1, a minus 5 and 39 minus a. Okay, you want to minimize the value of a, right? Okay, now guys, number of people जो है ये हो सकता है zero but negative कभी नहीं हो सकता, right? Okay, so suppose if I say minimum value of a is 39 when I put this as 0. Okay, if I put a as 39, okay देखो ये सब तो positive रहेंगे ये दोनों terms. Okay, but these two will become negative, right? 30 minus 39 will become minus 9, ये negative हो जाएगा. और 15 minus 39 will become minus 24, ये भी negative हो जाएगा. So definitely a cannot be 39. Okay, if I take a as 30, okay, if I take a as 30 here in this case, okay, then ये part तो zero हो जाएगा, ये सब तो zero हो, ये सब तो basically positive ही रहेंगे, right? a को 30 लिया तो, but this part will become negative. 15 minus 30 will become minus 15, right? So उससे कम क्या होता है, a का value 15 होता है, right? You can take a as 15. Yeah, when you take a as 15, all the values are either positive like these values or they are zero like this, right? क्या हम a की वैल्यू उससे और कम कर सकते हैं? बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. ओके लेट्स टेक a as 5. When you take a as 5, ओके ये पार्ट हो जाएगा 0. ओके दिस पार्ट विल बिकम 0 एंड ये सारे पार्ट, बाकी सारे पार्ट्स क्या रहेंगे? पॉजिटिव रहेंगे, राइट? है ना? उससे भी कम करना है. लेट्स टेक a as 1. When you take a as 1, this part becomes 0 and all the remaining values are positive, you can observe, right? So the minimum value you can take for a is how much? 1 in this case, right? So minimum value of 15 plus a कितना हो जाएगा? 15 plus 1 equals to 16, your answer. Okay, what if हमें कहीं a का वैल्यू गाइस मैक्सिमाइज करना होता है? दैट इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Find the least number of people who took a ride in the evening and spotted both a panther and a hyena. So now you want to minimize 25 minus a. ये minimum कब होगा guys? ये difference दो numbers का difference is minimum. Okay, when the numbers are as close as possible, right? So 25 तो constant है, मतलब a क्या होना चाहिए? a होना चाहिए maximum here in this case, right? Just now we saw in the previous question a का max value कितना होता है? 15. Okay, उससे ज़्यादा you can't take any value 15. Okay, ये part क्या हो जाएगा? Negative हो जाएगा, right? So just substitute the value of a as 15, you get the answer as 25 minus 15 equals to